In this video, we listed the 20 clever cleaning gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Wall Cleaner Mop. The Wall Cleaner Mop with long handle, 82 inches, is a 3-in-1 ceiling cleaning tool designed for efficient and convenient cleaning of various surfaces, including painted walls, windows, floors, baseboards, and ceilings. This versatile tool is particularly useful for hard-to-reach areas, thanks to its extendable long handle, making it ideal for high ceilings and tall windows. Equipped with a durable microfiber mop head, the cleaner effectively removes dust, dirt, and stains without damaging delicate surfaces. Some models also include detachable or washable mop heads, ensuring reusability and easy maintenance. Its lightweight yet sturdy design enhances maneuverability, while the pivoting head allows for flexible cleaning angles, making it easier to reach corners and edges. This cleaning tool aligns with your interest in household appliances and home maintenance gadgets, providing a practical solution for deep cleaning without excessive effort. Product 2. Product name: HGN Metal Faucet Glass Rinser. The HGN Metal Faucet Glass Rinser is a kitchen sink accessory designed for quickly and efficiently rinsing glasses, bottles, and other drinkware. Made from stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it is both durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. This bottle washer connects to the faucet and provides high-pressure water jets to effectively clean hard-to-reach areas inside cups, baby bottles, and coffee mugs. Given the user's interest in household kitchen appliances and baking tools, this glass rinser would be a practical addition to a kitchen setup, making dishwashing more convenient and hygienic. It complements other kitchen gadgets by simplifying the cleaning process, particularly for items that are difficult to wash by hand. Product 3. Product name: Blade Maid Ceiling Fan Cleaner. The Blade Maid Ceiling Fan Cleaner is a specialized cleaning tool designed for efficiently dusting and maintaining ceiling fans. It features a 3-foot extendable pole, allowing users to clean high or hard-to-reach ceiling fans without the need for ladders. The cleaning head includes a reusable fiber duster that effectively traps dust and prevents it from spreading. Additionally, it comes with a flexible dusting brush, making it versatile for cleaning various fan blade sizes and shapes. This tool aligns with your interest in household cleaning appliances and accessories, offering an efficient and user-friendly way to keep ceiling fans free from dust and allergens. The extendable pole and reusable duster make it an eco-friendly and convenient option for maintaining indoor air quality. Product 4. Product name: Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. The OXO New Good Grip Soap Dispensing Dish Brush Storage Set is a practical and efficient kitchen cleaning tool designed to simplify dishwashing. This dish brush features a built-in soap dispenser that allows users to dispense soap with a simple press of a button, making it convenient for scrubbing dishes, pots, and pans. The brush has durable nylon bristles that effectively remove food residues and grease while being safe for non-stick cookware. The set includes a storage stand that keeps the brush upright, preventing soap leaks and ensuring quick drying. The non-slip grip provides comfort and control during use, even when wet. Additionally, the brush head is replaceable, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for long-term use. For users interested in household kitchen appliances and tools, this soap dispensing dish brush complements a well-equipped kitchen by offering efficiency, hygiene, and convenience in dishwashing. Its sturdy design and easy-to-use mechanism make it an excellent addition for maintaining a clean and organized kitchen. Product 5. Product name: Swiffer PowerMop. The Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Mop Kit is a convenient and efficient floor cleaning solution designed for households that prioritize ease of use and effective cleaning. This all-in-one kit includes the Swiffer PowerMop, 2 mopping pad refills, 1 cleaning solution with a fresh scent, and 2 batteries, making it ready to use right out of the box. With its battery-powered spray system, the Swiffer PowerMop delivers an even distribution of cleaning solution, helping to break down dirt and grime on a variety of floor surfaces, including wood, tile, and laminate. The absorbent mopping pads trap dirt and lock it away, reducing the need for excessive scrubbing. This mop is ideal for quick and hassle-free cleaning, making it a great addition to a modern home with busy lifestyles. Product 6. Product name: Compressed Air Duster. The Compressed Air Duster Jet Blower is a high-powered electric air duster designed to replace traditional canned air for cleaning electronics, vehicles, and other surfaces. With an impressive 300,000 RPM turbo fan, this device delivers strong, continuous airflow, making it ideal for removing dust from keyboards, PCs, car interiors, and other delicate equipment. Unlike disposable compressed air cans, this electric duster is reusable, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective over time. Key features: powerful 300,000 RPM turbo fan for high-efficiency dust removal. Multi-purpose design suitable for PCs, keyboards, car interiors, leaf blowing, and even snow removal. Cordless and rechargeable, eliminating the need for disposable compressed air cans. Lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to handle for extended cleaning sessions. Eco-friendly alternative, reducing waste and long-term costs. Product 7. Product name: Mr. Seeger Bottle Brush Cleaning Set. The Mr. Seeger 5-pack bottle brush cleaning set is a versatile and practical cleaning solution designed for maintaining various types of bottles and drinkware. This set includes 5 brushes of different sizes and shapes, making it ideal for cleaning long, narrow-neck bottles, water bottles, baby bottles, tumblers, drinking glasses, and even straws. The included storage holder keeps the brushes organized and easily accessible. With its durable bristles and ergonomic handles, the brushes effectively remove residue and stains while being gentle on delicate surfaces. The set is particularly useful for households that use reusable water bottles, kitchen appliances, and baking tools, ensuring thorough cleaning and hygiene. Given the user's interest in kitchen gadgets and household appliances, this bottle brush set would complement their collection by helping maintain cleanliness in drinkware and cooking essentials. Product 8. Product name: Cup Lid Gap Cleaning Brush Set. The 3 inches to 1 cup lid gap cleaning brush set is a multifunctional cleaning tool designed for thoroughly cleaning the small gaps and tight spaces of cup lids, bottles, and other kitchen items. This set typically includes various brush heads made of silicone and durable bristles, allowing for efficient scrubbing of stubborn residue and hard-to-reach areas. Key features: multi-purpose cleaning, ideal for insulation bottle lids, silicone cup holders, straws, and kitchen accessories. 3-in-1 design, includes different brush types to tackle various cleaning needs, such as fine gaps, grooves, and edges. Silicone and bristle combination ensures gentle yet effective scrubbing without damaging delicate surfaces. Ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making cleaning easier and more efficient. Product 9. Product name: Tide Pen Stain Remover for Clothes. The Tide Pen Stain Remover for Clothes is a portable and travel-friendly instant stain remover pen designed to tackle food and drink stains on the go. It is compact enough to fit in purses and bags, making it a convenient solution for quick touch-ups. The to-go pen works effectively on fresh stains, breaking them down without the need for water or rinsing. This pack includes 3 pens per set, with a total of 2 packs, ensuring multiple stain removal applications. Given your interest in household and outdoor essentials, such as kitchen tools, outdoor gear, and travel-friendly gadgets, this stain remover pen complements your needs by offering a practical cleaning solution for everyday spills, whether at home, in the car, or during outdoor activities. Product 10. Product name: Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. The Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, JV35, is a high-performance handheld vacuum designed for deep cleaning of mattresses, bedding, sofas, and upholstery. Featuring 14 kPa strong suction and a 480W powerful motor, this device effectively removes dust, pet hair, and allergens. Its UVC light and high heating technology help eliminate dust mites, bacteria, and allergens, making it ideal for users concerned about hygiene and air quality. With a corded design, the Jimmy JV35 ensures consistent power for extended cleaning sessions, making it a great addition to a home with pets or allergy sufferers. Given the user's interest in household appliances, cleaning tools, and health-focused gadgets, this vacuum aligns well with their needs for maintaining a clean and allergen-free home environment. Product 11. Product name: Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner. The Chemical Guys SPI 22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant is a versatile and effective cleaning solution designed for use in various vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, motorcycles, RVs, and more. This 16 fluid ounces cleaner is formulated to safely clean and protect a wide range of interior surfaces, such as vinyl, plastic, rubber, and leather. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to remove dirt, dust, and grime while leaving a protective layer that helps repel future contaminants. The Total Interior Cleaner is easy to use. Simply spray it onto the desired surface and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth for a clean, fresh finish. Chemical Guys is known for its high-quality automotive care products, and the SPI 22016 reflects that commitment by providing a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution. Its non-toxic and biodegradable formula makes it safe for both users and the environment, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain the cleanliness and appearance of their vehicle's interior without harsh chemicals. Product 12. Product name: Adams Premium Foam Gun Car Wash Sprayer. The Adams Premium Foam Gun Car Wash Sprayer is an innovative tool designed to enhance the car washing experience without the need for a pressure washer. This sprayer connects directly to your garden hose, allowing you to easily apply a thick layer of foam to your vehicle. It is compatible with a variety of car soaps, shampoos, and detergents, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. The foam gun works by mixing water with your chosen soap, producing a rich foam that clings to the surface of your car, effectively loosening dirt and grime for a thorough wash. This method not only helps protect your vehicle's paint but also reduces the risk of scratching during the cleaning process. Ideal for both casual car enthusiasts and serious detailers, the Adams Premium Foam Gun Car Wash Sprayer is a convenient and effective solution for maintaining your vehicle's appearance with ease. Product 13. Product name: F-Care Outside Magnetic Window Cleaner. The F-Care Outside Magnetic Window Cleaner is a versatile cleaning tool designed for maintaining the cleanliness of high-rise windows with ease. This innovative double-sided window brush features powerful magnets that allow it to clean both sides of the glass simultaneously, making it efficient for use on windows with a thickness ranging from 0.3 to 1.2 inches. Its adjustable design enables users to customize the cleaning pressure, ensuring thorough removal of dirt, grime, and streaks without the need for ladders or scaffolding. Perfect for homeowners, building maintenance staff, or anyone looking to keep their windows sparkling clean, the F-Care Cleaner is especially useful for high-rise buildings where traditional cleaning methods can be challenging. Its bright red color adds a touch of visibility, while the user-friendly design allows for easy maneuvering and storage. With this window cleaning tool, maintaining clear views and enhancing the overall appearance of your windows has never been easier. Product 14. Product name: 2-Pack 2-in-1 Toilet Brush and Plunger Set. The 2-Pack 2-in-1 Toilet Brush and Plunger Set is an essential addition to any bathroom cleaning arsenal, offering convenience and efficiency in one package. This set includes an extended handle plunger and a toilet bowl brush, designed to tackle tough clogs and maintain a sparkling clean toilet bowl. The extended handle on the plunger provides extra reach and leverage, making it easier to dislodge stubborn blockages without straining your back. The toilet brush features durable bristles that effectively scrub away stains and buildup in the bowl, ensuring a hygienic environment. Both tools are designed to be easy to store, often featuring a compact holder that keeps them discreetly out of sight while remaining accessible when needed. This combination set simplifies bathroom cleaning tasks, making it an ideal choice for homeowners looking for efficient cleaning supplies. Product 15. Product name: 4-Pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge. The 4-Pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge is an essential cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning tasks more efficient and effective. This versatile sponge cleaning brush is ideal for various surfaces, including blinds, glass, baseboards, vents, railings, mirrors, window track grooves, and faucets. With its unique damp cleaning design, these sponges are specifically crafted to attract and trap dust and dirt, providing a thorough clean without the need for harsh chemicals. They can easily reach tight spaces and corners, making them perfect for detailed cleaning around the home. Product 16. Product name Clorox ToiletWand Disinfecting Refills. Clorox ToiletWand disinfecting refills are an essential addition to any household cleaning arsenal, especially for those seeking a quick and efficient way to maintain bathroom hygiene. This product includes 30 disposable wand heads, designed specifically for use with the Clorox ToiletWand system, making toilet cleaning a breeze. Each disposable head is preloaded with Clorox Cleaner, which effectively kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria, including viruses that cause colds and flu. The convenience of the Clorox ToiletWand system lies in its easy-to-use design. Simply attach a disposable wand head to the handle, and you're ready to tackle tough stains and disinfect your toilet bowl without the need for additional cleaning supplies. After use, the disposable heads can be easily discarded, minimizing mess and eliminating the need for scrubbing and soaking brushes. Product 17. Product name Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner is a powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle tough toilet stains and odors effectively. With its max strength formula, this clinging gel adheres to the toilet bowl, ensuring thorough coverage and maximum cleaning power. The product is specifically formulated for instant stain removal, making it a must-have for maintaining a hygienic bathroom environment. Key features of Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner include its disinfecting properties, which kill germs and bacteria on contact, helping to prevent the spread of illness. Additionally, it deodorizes while cleaning, leaving behind a fresh scent that enhances the overall cleanliness of your bathroom. One of the significant benefits of this cleaner is that it is bleach-free, making it a safer choice for households with children and pets. Each 24-ounce bottle comes in a convenient 9-count packaging, ensuring that you always have a supply on hand for regular cleaning routines. Product 18. Product name Libigo Electric Spin Scrubber. The Libigo Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning tasks more efficient and effective. This cordless spin scrubber comes equipped with 7 replaceable brush heads, allowing users to tackle various surfaces and types of dirt with ease. The adjustable extension handle ensures that users can comfortably reach high or low areas without straining, making it ideal for cleaning bathroom floor tiles, grout, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Its ergonomic design promotes ease of use, while the powerful spinning action helps to remove tough stains and grime effortlessly. Perfect for those who prioritize cleanliness in their homes, the Libigo Electric Spin Scrubber simplifies cleaning routines, making it an essential addition to any cleaning arsenal. Its effectiveness, combined with the convenience of being cordless, allows for a more thorough and hassle-free cleaning experience, particularly in bathrooms and kitchens where dirt tends to accumulate.